Hey guys, it's me again, Suleiman Osman from Hubo Helps. This is your channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and like and share it. So today we're going to do another video, another letters from Somali alphabet, phonics. So today we're going to do together Somali alphabet, phonics, letter J, and we pronounce together. Okay? Are you ready? Let's do it together. The letter we're doing today is J. 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 And J stand for jalaato. Jalaato. Jalaato means ice cream in English. Okay? I'm gonna say again. J for J, 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 J. That's phonics. Jalaato. Jalaato. And there's so many other words, but I picked up the one people can relate it to. Okay? J for gelato. But make sure I'm still kind of mentioning the double vowels because it's very, very important in Somali language to use double vowels or single vowels because it does change the meaning as well. Okay, gelato. Let's say if you take off one of the, it will become like gelato. Gelato doesn't have any meaning. It will have any meaning. So for you to have it and say in a little bit stretch the double vowel is a very very important. So J for gelato. J for gelato. So if you kind of learning now, you can learn with me. I've done so many other videos about starting from the alphabet and through all the pronunciation and with the letters, how to explain Somali to English also. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it in the description below. If you've got any issues about it or pronunciation, you can leave it. If you do want to speak Somali language, if you say answer, come and join me.